Good morning friends, and this video is regarding making a document, a Word document, and accepting which can accept inputs, and after accepting the input the students can save the same file as PDF and send back to us, which we can use for evaluation. This can be used for classes from 4 onwards, because there they know how to type, and for lower classes we can't go for this particular kind of arrangement. So as on the screen you can see, we are going to make a document inputable, and that is the document will be taking the inputs, and later on we can save it as PDF and send back to the person who has asked us about this particular document. So let us see how to make it. This you can see on the screen, their name and age is given and something is written as click here to enter text, click here to enter text. Now we want to make certain kind of arrangement so that when you click, just type whatever you want to, and then just go to file, click on save as, and give a name to the file, and in the save as type option select the PDF and save it. So you will be getting your own PDF that you can send it to anybody. So now let us see how to make all this stuff. I want to take the input for 2 or 3 things only. Say name I want, age I want, like this we have made. Now in the top bar or in the menu bars you will see a developer. If this developer option is not available in your particular system, go to file, options, and customize ribbon. Inside this customize ribbon, when you see the list, you will find the menu tabs, and if this menu tab is not having developer, just add it from the list given over here. You will be finding the list in the left hand side, you can add in the right hand side, or from the right hand side. If the tick is not there, suppose it is like this, just put a tick and click OK. So you will be finding a developer tab at the top. In this developer tab you will be having this first a small a, then a small a, then a picture. This particular set of tools will help you in creating different things. Like the first one I take as this I have taken, then age, another box, and name is another box. Now just save this document and your document is ready actually. So I have saved this document, and after saving this document I can send this document to any of my student, and the students will be typing in this particular area, click here to enter text, and after that, after typing their name, age, or whatever question that we have given, after typing all this they will go to file and save as, and will save the document as PDF, and here you will get whatever you will type, you will be able to see here in place of this click here options. So thank you.